Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is July 5th, and this is your aftermarket update. So this is our first one of these videos that we've done in a little bit of time. Of course, we had the July 4th holiday weekend, and we hope that you had a happy and safe 4th of July. We did, and we were ready to get back to work here today, and what a good day it was here at the Oil Trading Group. We're going to spend all of our time today focused in on the CL, as that's where the big sell-off occurred today. One of the main contributing factors to the sell-off here is the geopolitical concerns that are going on surrounding North Korea, and we were able to take really good advantage of one of the opportunities that was provided. So this red line right here represents one of our favorite retracement setups. If you notice back here going into the end of June, middle to end of June, you had this sell-off down into this $42 level. And then we made this really nice rally up into the 47.24 area. This red line represents the selling point of the sweet spot of our retracement area. This is the setup that we offer in the $47 extended trial. And you can see here it gave us 10 ticks of heat, and then it has sold off. And at the last time I measured it, it was at 215 ticks. It looks like it's continuing to sell off here today. So that was the impetus. That happened in the overnight session. Obviously, we weren't trading in that overnight session, but it did lead us into our opportunity to get short here today. So if you take a look here at your market maker levels, we were actually looking to get short here off this market structure target. If there was anything that was a little bit of a bummer here today, we did take a little bit we had a bad luck stop out on our first attempt here at this market structure target. We got stopped out to the tick up here at this double top at 66. So our stop was 66. It came up, stopped me out at 66 on this first attempt, tried to get through it again, and then of course you had this massive sell-off. So what we were looking at here when we got short at this 56 is that the market had been in this fairly nice downturn. We use 30-minute chart and a couple of these moving averages as a potential filter, and obviously if you go back here before, it was right back in this area right here this morning. In fact, that was it right there. That was the bar before the big sell-off. You can see that the market moving averages had crossed, separated, and were angled to the downside. We have another filter that we use that confirmed that. And then we had a third confirmation, which was our market maker levels here at the daily structure mid, not able to get up into that zone. So I'm going to turn these market structure off for just a moment. We were looking to get short here right around this rotation at 55, 56. We were looking initially, and what you're here in the video is the initial target was here at this daily structure signal here at 23. But one of the things that I said, and you won't hear it in this video because I've only let you listen to the audio of the first 30 seconds or so, but we talked about the fact that if the market was beginning to aggressively attack that structure signal on the way down, that we were going to move our target down to 79. Well, obviously, you can see here that we rotated, and when it finally broke, by the way, I got stopped initially up here at 66. My entry was 55, 56 on the initial, and then came up, took me out for 12 ticks. We got in again, had a 11 tick stop, and we were looking to target all the way down to this 79. So the market did aggressively. This is 1 3-minute bar, and that's an aggressive push into that daily structure signal. We moved our target down here to the daily structure target at 79. Market rotates, and then begins this process of selling off. And I got stopped out. My stop was right back here. I moved it up to 11. It goes to 15 before it comes all the way down into that daily structure target. So from the time that I got in to the time that I got trail stopped out for 90. I don't know, it was 90-ish ticks, maybe more than that. The point is that I got trail stopped out, or we could have had this additional from 11 down to 79. So a couple of instances of bad luck where I get taken out at the double top to the tick, and then I get taken out right before it finishes flushing out to our target. Having said that, if those are the worst things that are going to happen to me in a trading day, is that I get stopped out to the tick, and then the next trade following after that is 100 plus ticks wide, then that will be okay with that, right? So anyway, that was triggered. So you had a few things triggering that today. That setup that our favorite retracement setup that we include in the $47 extended trial. along with your market maker levels, giving you a really handsome target down to the end. So this trade lasted about 58 minutes. So I've taken this trade. I'm doing something a little bit different today. Normally what I do is I'll let you listen to the first little piece of it, and then I will condense it. I'll take the five minutes off the front end, 5 minutes off the back end, and condense that down. Actually, what I've done today is I've taken the entire 57-minute trade, sped it up, and condensed it into about 2.5 minutes. So it's going to move really quickly, but I wanted you to see just kind of the ups and downs that go on in a trade like that. I want you to see that we did take it from the beginning to the end, so you kind of get a feel for that as well. So having said all of that, I'm going to let you watch this OTG trade of the day. Short right here at 56 again. Short 56, stop 67. Stop 67, target 23, sorry, target 23. All right, so that was a fairly aggressive sell-off, as you could see there. I'm not sure how you liked taking that entire 57-minute video and moving it down to 2.5 minutes. Look for some feedback there on that, and you can tell me if you like that or not, and we'll keep doing it if you do, and we won't if you don't. Anyway, that is kind of the way the trading day went. 2 trades, 1 small loser, 1 giant winner. And that's the way we like to do it. So again, as always, I want to say thank you for watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And until next time, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.